this too.
What? So, what the heck?
Yeah, where did it go? It's magic.
Well, that actually was magic. What the heck?
20 years ago, Hewlett-Packard came to us and wanted an absorber for their inkjet printers. So if the ink breaks in an inkjet printer, the ink cartridge, it'll get on your desk. Right. So we designed a textile that would absorb, sort of a diaper for the inkjet printer. And we today supply Hewlett-Packard with all their absorbers. We took that formula and started making this product with it. About 10 years ago, we had some extra, and so we gave it to the various employees at BMP America. And we started using it for things like at home, working underneath the sink. So the first place I used it, I was under the sink. I take the elbow off, the elbow's filled with water, and I think, well, heck, I'm leaning on a magic carpet. I poured the water right into the magic carpet and it absorbed it. So I didn't have to go get a bucket. My wife uses it to put underneath the dog's bowl. That's my dog, that's my floor. There's no more wet wood floor in our house.
That actually makes a lot of sense.
It's made out of 100% recycled polyester fibers, a special proprietary formula. We've patented the formula, and we put the patent in this Monday. This is our product launch to the
Monday?
world. Yeah, this Monday we just put the patent in.
So this is actually really new.
Yeah, brand new.
Okay.
We actually, it's so strong. So our competition is foam. It's not made out of recycled materials, our competition. We are. So we're made out of recycled materials and we're recyclable. Ultra strong. This is the fixture that we use to literally pick up a 3,500 pound Jeep. This product is ultra strong, recyclable, absorbent, and machine washable, dryable.
So question, like I just saw somebody dump, a big old thing of Aquafina water in there. So if you spill water on it, the water disappeared somewhere. It's kind of magic. How do you dry it out?
The easiest way I dry it out is just set it like that and put it outside or somewhere in the garage or basement. But it's machine washable and machine dryable.
Wow.
Its polymer is polyester. Polyester is extremely inert, and so you could put acids on there, bases on there, gasoline. That pad holds about 3/4 of a gallon of fluid. So you could pour the fluid right into it, and it'll hold it, and it'll slowly dry out.
So this is basically something that absorbs water.
Absolutely,
right.
Or gasoline. Or,
gasoline?
Yeah, anything. It'll absorb anything.
The gasoline's not going to eat it up?
No, polyester is very inert, and so you could put acids in there, bases in there, gasoline. It's not going to hurt.
So if I was underneath my car and it was on my epoxy floor,
yep,
and I was taking like the fuel pump out and gasoline spilt on the floor, spilt on this, how do I get rid of the gasoline out of here?
So you can let it evaporate off to a degree, but it's still going to be in there a little bit,
right.
Then you machine wash it.
What the heck? Now what are we looking at?
That's the felt and lifting the Jeep.
That's pretty impressive.
Very durable.
Very durable.
Our competition is foam and it tears apart and
degrades. It just came out.
Yep.
So where can somebody find it?
Wherever we start selling it, we're trying to get people to sell it today, and so.
So it's not in stores yet?
Not in stores yet, but in stores soon.
So do you have a website that people can buy it at?
Absolutely.
Where's the website?
MagicCarpetUSA.com, because we are 100% USA made.
Well, there we go. So that's another really cool feature. 100% made in the USA. So Magic Carpet USA, MagicCarpetUSA.com. How much does it cost?
Probably about $14.99, but this one's free for you.
I like it. So I think this is actually pretty cool. I can't tell you how many times I've worked under the sink, take off the P-trap, the water spills out and stuff. That's actually perfect. And how many times I grab my wife's new dish towels hanging there and and she doesn't like that. That's bad. So the Magic Carpet, I actually will keep one of these in my garage right around my toolbox stuff. I think it's pretty cool. This is Chris Berry aging and Chris Berry wearing Depends, but let's see if it actually can absorb this entire bottle of Aquafina. I think it's working out pretty well. This is pretty impressive. It's Chris Berry's bladder's empty. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? So now that's just going to dry out and be gone eventually.
Yep, absolutely.
There you have it, magic carpet.